Did someone say they needed help in a hurry? With my super speed, I could warp around Earth and Mars 70 billion times and change the course of history as we know it.
Heavens to Murgatroyd! Flash Lightning has come to save us all! He's asleep, you know. Hey, wake up.
I flashed out. Something's destroying my speed, but I kind of like this cool dance.
So Mr. Slovato, he's slower than a snail. Now let's run out to Mr. Slovato, he's pasta to stay alive.
You think that I am safe?
We don't think it, we can see it.
I'm just a down
We don't think it, we can see it.
from 1951.
We don't think it, we can see it. It's why he cannot run. He's got a hold up. It's the outfit that's on his skin. It's made in U.S., but he's Italian. This is the sin. He was the fastest. He's in the wrong time and needs energy.
Where's my pasta? I need my pasta. And somewhere to sit.
So we can survive.